My name is Danielle Dysserinck. I'm the Deputy Emergency Program Coordinator for the District of Mackenzie. I do emergency tabletop exercises with our stakeholders. I also do emergency workshops with different groups in town. I do emergency planning, so evacuation route planning and emergency response planning. So as a local FireSmart representative, I'm basically that contact person for residents of Mackenzie, where they can call me up and ask me if they have any questions about the FireSmart program and how they can better protect their home against wildfire. I oftentimes will do assessments for residents where I go around their property with them and give them some recommendations for how to better protect their property against wildfire. Emergency planning for Mackenzie is huge because our one-way in, one-way out access and the high fuel load that's located along Highway 39, we do advise that residents are prepared for emergencies. Planning is really important because an emergency can happen in a matter of seconds, and an emergency can be anything from your basement flooding to a huge wildfire that's threatening the whole community. It's important to know what you need to leave your home in a short amount of time or what you're going to need to shelter in place. To me, FireSmart is an opportunity to educate our residents and give them that ease of mind. A lot of people don't realize that wildfire is very preventable. There's very small, affordable steps that you can take to protect your home against wildfire. The CRI is a really important program for our community just because it kind of conjoins our two priorities of encouraging our residents to become more fire smart as well as doing our part as a local government. We were approved for $181,000, $20,000 of which we put towards a curbside vegetation removal program, and the $161,000 we put towards doing some fuel mitigation around town. An exciting thing is that the province of BC is providing a lot of grant programs to support communities in becoming more fire smart, and there are also other provincial programs through Forest Enhancement Society of BC, and they fund any kind of wildlife preservation activities as well as fuel mitigation. Both of those programs are 100% funding. A common misconception, of course, is that it's very expensive to be fire smart and that you have to undertake a lot of very expensive renovations to your home. In reality, you can take very small steps to becoming more fire smart, like watering your lawn or cleaning out your eaves. I encourage anyone that's thinking about the program or concerned about wildfire whatsoever to look more into different FireSmart opportunities to protect your home and protect your family and also protect your neighbors, because very small steps can make a big difference in protecting your home and your community against wildfire.